Bangkok, baby. Bangkok, baby. Walking in Bangkok. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Walking in Bangkok. Ooh, through the streets. Meandering in the streets. Ooh, streets of Bangkok. Walking those damn cool streets of Bangkok. Walking, walking, walking. Just walking, walking, walking. Ooh, walking those old beautiful streets of Bangkok.
Okay, this street is called Soi Nana, different than Soi Plaza, and it's in the Chinatown area, and it's kind of super cool. I didn't really expect it to be so cool like this. Really, I think it's amazing. Got some beautiful architecture right here. And then I think I looked up something about this. I'm just gonna walk down it and just explore. So we're gonna put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And then we're gonna walk down it. Probably walk all the way down to that church and just kind of see all the stuff that's in here. I think there's stuff, there's some bars and all kinds of stuff. So stay tuned for that. Up on the map. Walking the streets of Bangkok. I'm filming the streets so you can see exactly where we're at in Bangkok, and we're going to be going down it. And I also have a lot of other streets in Bangkok, so just kind of stay tuned. I'll put up a new one every 3-4 days or so. So keep watching for more of those. Okay. So that's Soi Nana. So let's walk up to the base first before we go down our street. And we definitely have more China stuff. All of that is Chinatown, but even you have some kind of interesting, there's also like a little temple right there, a Chinese temple. Not too far, some kind of interesting stuff down there. It's even a Starbucks, so I guess they're trying to gentrify it, I guess. We got some Thai food there. So let's go into it. Now you can see some of those amazing looking shop stuff. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. Huh. Some really nice, there's even a bar way down there. There's some nice spaces in here. Wow. Another one right here too. Huh. Oops. Got beautiful chairs and tables. Another cool place. Oh. Wow, okay. Wow, okay. That's a cool looking bar too. Huh. I had no idea. This was even random that I even came down here. I was trying to find this little alley that I check that place out up there. Somebody has that apartment. That'd be incredible. I wonder what this is like at nighttime. I should probably try to come back. Yeah, they got all these beautiful shop houses, some bars in here. There's a rooftop bar up there. There's a chip bar. Let's just look down and see these little alleys as well. Huh, okay. So it looks like we could kind of meander down that way. I'm just gonna see what this one is. Vintage, authentic, classic. Huh. It's like an art space. Yeah, I guess should go all the way down and take a look and see what's all down here. But this is amazing. Wow. It's really cool. I don't want to get too far away from my street, but you can see there's more to explore in this area. Yeah, these are nice little shops too, like the style. It's amazing. Hello. Is this area new?
This area?
Yeah, a little bit new. Or
Not
popular?
over 10 years.
Oh, okay.
Quite new.
Okay. I never saw it before. There's like bars and art galleries
sure.
and
Sure.
it's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, sounds good. Thank you so much, Copenhagen. So, okay. Let's take a look. Wow, look at this. This rooftop bar has all these little vines that go all the way down. We're gonna walk all the way to that. Huh. Hello. Got a rooftop. Wow. I never saw this area. This. Oh yeah. Yeah.
How many persons?
Just one. I'm just filming the street, but I can maybe
Oh, yes.
bring the camera and take a look. Okay, so maybe I'll go up. Okay, so this is up at the top of the rooftop bar that we saw downstairs. I can see actually more. There's more rooftops all the way down here as well. Temple or shrine up there. So that's the end of the street, and this is the rooftop bar. Okay. Oh wow. So there's even another side over here too. Oh. Amazing. Oh, thank you. Copenhagen. It's amazing. I'm gonna come back later. I'm gonna come back later. Thank you. This is the bar we just went upstairs, and this one's called the Yacht Club. Chinatown Yacht Club. Is that the right name? I'm gonna come back later. Thank you so much, Copenhagen. So let's keep on going down. Wow, this is a really great area. Let me see. Grill and bar. Oh, okay. So yeah, we also saw people up on those rooftops too. Really amazing. Little weed shop, I guess. Vintage clothing, hot bar. Guinness, there's Guinness down there. I'm gonna walk over here. Oh, there's so much character in this area. Wallflower. Thank you. Should go up there? Okay, I definitely will. Wow, this is really cool. Oh. So just walk all the way down. We'll see. It's called Wallflower. It's pretty cool. We'll just go down just a little bit and just see what else is down in this alley. Wow. Wow. Okay. Huh. I should be staying down here. This area is amazing. Okay. Okay, let's see. So that was the wallflower. There's a rooftop up there too. Pretty cool. Okay, let's keep on looking down here. Got a Guinness one on this side. Oh, okay. Let's go down this way as well. Oh, there's some artwork. It's a little bit hard to see in the lighting. Got a rainbow flag. More cats. Wow. Oh. Okay. Let's keep on going down. There's a lot of cats in this alleys. I love it. Okay. And there's a Guinness. It's So this one has Guinness, I believe. I think so, Guinness. Check out this artwork right here. And we got fresh chang called Mao. Okay. So the beer, $140 for a mug, $120 for a bottle. Okay. Huh. Wow. This is actually a super amazing area that I never really knew about. Check out this place. Let's have that one too. Okay. So we're going to continue down our street here. So that's called Soi Nana. And that's the name of the street right here. There's a post office right here too. So Soi Nana. So we're gonna walk out over here to the very base of it. Looks like there's more stuff down this side street too, so I'm kind of curious about that. Huh. This whole area looks super cool. Huh. Huh. And there's this bar right there. Got some tables to sit and a bar. Amazing. We can go just a little bit further. Try to go across the street. So yeah, that's a whole other area I never knew about. Called Soi Nana. Wow, it's crazy. I feel like I've been to Bangkok so many times, so I feel like I know the city, and then I realize that I don't. There's always new stuff. And over here, there's like a Chinese Baptist church. You can play basketball in there. That's another interesting thing I didn't know about. And then this little alleys too. Okay, I'm gonna have to explore more in the daytime. Try to figure all this out. I like it. Okay, so Soi, it's a basketball. Soi Nana was kind of that really cool street.